Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. We've started using the Rain Bird Rotary Nozzle irrigation system around here. Let me tell you why. It's a great system. Stay tuned. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. We've started using this little system from Rain Bird. Now, when you first look at this system, it can be a little bit confusing because there's different components that go to it. First of all, there's a carrier unit that gets screwed onto a stem here, a riser pipe. You've got to have this as a separate unit, and then these individual components get put into them. One of the things you'll notice right off is this little logo right up here that tells you what type of sprinkler head you're getting. The one in the package here, orange colored, is a 180 head. Notice that the button, the adjuster button here, is the same color as that. There's two other colors that are available as well, a 90 degree and a 360. So depending on whether you're along a sidewalk or you're in a corner or you're out in the middle of an area that needs to be irrigated, you would choose the appropriate head. Now, once you have this out of the package, you'll need to install it in the carrier. And the carrier simply comes like this. It's got an extending tube, and what you'll need to do is pull this out, hold it, and unscrew this part. When you do, that's threaded and it's ready to install the new part. It's got an integrated water filter right here. Simply put it in here. Take a little care not to cross thread it. Just finger tight and screw it in. Now, I'm going to keep this held out. If I let it go in a moment, it's going to retract in there. There's something that's important here. You always need to know where the sprinkler head's going to start and stop. Well, everything is figured in the Rain Bird system from the left edge. So how do you know where the left edge is? Well, you're going to need to rotate this around, and when you see that little white mark right there, that's where the spray is going to start to emit, and it's going to stop, in this case, because it's an orange head, 180, directly across from it. So when you install this and begin to adjust it, you can always know where it's going to start right here. Inside this little button here, you can insert a little flathead screwdriver and you can adjust the throw, the distance, so you're not overspraying and wasting water. Now, what's the main advantage of this system? Well, in breezy conditions such as we have around here quite a bit, the spray stays intact a lot longer and doesn't atomize in the wind, reducing evaporation. We tend to water in the early morning hours or even overnight because we're in a dry area. We don't have mildew issues. So this does a better job of putting water where it's needed and more of it without losing as much to evaporation. We find this system to be economical. It does a great job putting water where it's needed. It's intuitive, and we found that over several seasons that the components last well. So, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from DirtFarmerJ.com.